guided meditation for deep sleep, self-healing, and anxiety relief. Get comfortable. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. If you're in bed, let your body sink into the mattress. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale gently through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to relax more deeply. As you continue to breathe, visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet or the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth. These roots connect you to a source of healing energy, drawing it up through your body. Feel this grounding energy gently flowing through you, bringing a sense of calm and stability. Now, begin to scan your body from head to toe. Start with your toes, relaxing them completely. Move up through your feet, legs, hips, torso, arms, shoulders, and neck. Release any tension you find in each area, letting it melt away. Finally, soften your facial muscles, allowing your jaw to relax and your forehead to smooth. Shift your focus to your breathing. Begin the 4-count breathing technique. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and pause for 4. Repeat this cycle a few times, feeling your body grow more peaceful and your mind become still. With each exhale, imagine letting go of any anxiety or stress you've been holding on to. Now, picture a soft, golden light entering your body with each inhale. This light represents healing energy, filling you with warmth and comfort. As you breathe in this light, focus it on any areas where you feel discomfort, pain, or emotional heaviness. Allow the light to gently heal and restore these parts of you, bringing a sense of peace and balance. As you continue to relax, silently repeat healing affirmations to yourself. I am safe. I release all worry. My body knows how to heal. I am calm. I am at peace. Let these affirmations sink deeply into your mind, soothing your thoughts and reinforcing your sense of well-being. If you're preparing for sleep, imagine yourself floating on a soft, white cloud. You're surrounded by a peaceful night sky, filled with twinkling stars. The cloud supports you completely, cradling you in comfort as you drift further into relaxation. Feel your body growing heavier, your mind quieter, as you approach a deep and restful sleep. Before ending your meditation, take a moment to express gratitude. Thank your body for its strength and healing, and acknowledge the peace you've created in this moment. When you're ready, take a few final deep breaths, and either drift off to sleep or gently return to the present, feeling refreshed and calm.